Só pra passar aqui rapidinho. Esse vídeo vão aparecer. Não são meus. Peguei tudo do TikTok.
Red and can't give head, really you ain't shit, need a laxative. Niggas ain't shit, come up in your crib, all up in your face, can't pay rent, look at what you did, listen to your friends, when they said, niggas ain't shit. I'ma hit the fucking Think of me, you can pay for therapy. Nothing left to bleed, you spent all your clarity. Let it all go. 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 Thank you.